Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple accounts on Spotify. So if you want to switch between multiple Spotify accounts without logging in and out every time, in this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how you can add multiple accounts on Spotify so you can manage different profiles effortlessly. So on Spotify now, you can add more than one accounts in one app, and this is how you are going to do it. First, you can just launch the Spotify applications on your phone and make sure that your Spotify app is already on the latest version. So if not, you need to update it first on App Store or Play Store. Okay, so once the Spotify application is open, you can now just tap on your name in the left corner, top left corner, or your initial, or you can just swipe right like this, and you'll see I have two accounts on my Spotify, and I can add more account in here. So I'm going to show you how you can add the account. Just tap on this add account options and choose whether you want to sign up to create a new Spotify account, or if you already have one, you can just tap on login. Then here you can log in with your email, phone number, Google account, or Facebook. Or you can also sign up if you don't have the other Spotify account yet. And again, the same, you can sign up with email, your phone number, Google account, and Facebook. So once you choose the sign up or login options, you can just click on the options. For example, I'm going to sign up with my phone number. Click on this. You can just enter your phone number and tap on next and just follow the on-screen instruction. Okay, so once you succeed creating the account or login to your account, you can switch between the accounts simultaneously by clicking on this your initial at the top left corner. So this is the current account that is open, and I want to switch into this one. So just click on the photo profile of your other account, and just like that, the account will be switched. You can see it has a different music shown on the home page. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.